Everything in this universe undergoes a change. In our daily life, we observe many changes around us. Change is the law of nature and can be observed by us at all times and at all places. Some of the changes occurring are natural, such as change of seasons, formation of clouds, weathering of rocks, formation of glaciers, flowering of plants, ripening of fruits, formation of day and night, and beating of the heart. Some changes are man-made, such as cooking of food, burning of oil, weaving of cloth, production of food grains, and dissolving of sugar in water. There are some changes that are useful to us, and we want them to take place. For example, the burning of LPG or wood or coal is a desirable change because the heat produced by its burning is used to cook food and for other heating purposes. Some more desirable changes are formation of curd from milk, cleaning of dirty utensils, ripening of fruits. So, the changes that are useful to us and that we want to take place are called desirable changes. But there are some other changes that are harmful to us. The spoiling of food materials by bacteria or fungi is an undesirable change. This spoiled food becomes unfit for eating. It becomes waste. The occurrence of earthquake is also an undesirable change as it leads to loss of life and property. Some more undesirable changes are flooding of rivers, eruption of volcanoes, occurrence of landslides, forest fires. So, the changes that are harmful to us and that we do not want to take place are called undesirable changes. So, some changes are desirable and some are undesirable. It is for this reason that the study of changes around us becomes significant to us. They affect our day-to-day life. We will study them under the following headings: reversible and irreversible changes. Activity 1. To study the effect of hanging a weight on a spring, the effect when it is removed. Things needed: spring, hook for support, weight. Method: take a spring and suspend it from a support. Hang a weight to the lower end of this spring. It gets stretched and its length increases. Remove the weight. The spring comes back to its original length. The stretching of a spring, as we have seen in the above activity, is an example of a reversible change. The change that can be reversed easily to obtain a substance in its original form is called a reversible change. When we heat ice, it melts to form liquid water. Now, if we cool this water, it again changes into ice. So, the changing of ice into water has been reversed by cooling. Thus, melting of ice is a reversible change. When we boil water, it changes into steam. Now, if we cool the steam, it again changes into water. So, the changing of water into steam has been reversed by cooling. Thus, the boiling of water is a reversible change. Activity 2. To study the formation of curd from warm milk. Things needed: container, warm milk, a spoonful of curd. Method: take warm milk in a container. Add a spoonful of curd in the warm milk and stir it thoroughly. Cover the container with a glass plate and keep aside for 4 to 5 hours. Observation: we notice that after 4 to 5 hours, the milk in the container changes into curd. It is semi-solid. It has a sour smell and tastes different from milk. Milk, liquid, sweet taste, is converted to curd, semi-solid, sour taste. We can convert milk into curd, but can we convert curd into milk? No, we cannot convert curd back to milk. The change that cannot be reversed to obtain a substance back into its original form is called an irreversible change. Some more examples of irreversible changes are burning of paper, aging of man, weathering of rocks, grinding of wheat grains into flour, cooking of food, and burning of crackers.